Welcome back. Time now for the business day. To a story we've been tracking, founder and former CEO of Dolla Financial, Kadeem Mairs, has sought to set the record straight. In a statement, he sought to dissuade speculation that he was forced out of the company. Mr. Mairs says the decision to resign was 100% his own. He says he will now focus his attention on his private equity firm, Equity Capital Management, which still owns 20% of Dolla. Mr. Mairs says he has considered for some time to put more focus on Equity Capital, but he says this was not possible as he led Dolla Financial during what he describes as a period of immense growth. Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited has forged a partnership with Caribbean Maritime University in a bid to boost its workforce and improve the availability of skilled labor for port operations. Javon Keys has that story.
The skill sets for persons in the shipping and logistics industry are highly sought after, so much so that there's been a high demand for local talent on the international scene to fill posts at major global shipping firms. Captain Kadeem Mairs is the CEO of Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited.
We train a lot of people and we're losing a lot of people. Not because we're bad, not because but they are getting better salaries and better life in especially Canada and US. So it's never ending story.
To stem the labor gap and increase the available talent pool, KFTL signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. CMU President Professor Andrew Spencer says the deal has a number of key outcomes.
The long game is to have a Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited Center of Excellence here at the Caribbean Maritime University. In the interim, what will happen is that we'll have a number of apprenticeships, scholarships from the KFTL. We're looking at the opportunity for internships for students. We're doing customized programs for the KFTL. And the idea is to do a needs analysis of where the KFTL is, where it wants to be, and how the CMU can plug that gap to make it happen.
Students will also have access to opportunities from KFTL's global partners. The port is operated under a public-private partnership with global shipping firm CMA CGM. Professor Spencer says students in areas outside of shipping will also benefit.
We're talking about our engineers. We're talking about even some of the students in our Faculty of Marine and Nautical Studies who may have an interest in applying their skills in the port and terminal spaces. They too will have a place almost immediately. We're talking about internships. We're talking about pulling individuals from KFTL who are professionals of no mean order to be able to impart through guest lectures as early as September.
He says in the next year, short courses will also be developed to meet the needs of the port operators. The deal comes at a time when shipping and logistics are being pushed to drive local economic growth. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.